Today we're going to talk a little bit about the jogging controls. We've been doing a lot of the motors. This is one of the jogging controls features. Here we have the regular motor with the overload going to the motor. Then you have what we call it S. They use it for inching. So here you put some resistors on it and they go into the motor. regular control part of it, again, start goes into your run, into your inching. Again, once you press your start, your motor will run regular. When you press your inching, your motor will run slowly. Again, one of the reasons why we do this is a lot of times for maintenance. A lot of times you have to stop the motor, and if you have it on the regular run, if you stop it, the motor will continue and it'll go right past to the location that you want to cut, that you want to fix it. Again, sometimes a cut belt, you want to make sure you remove some of that stuff or you fix it. And again, inch it makes it go to the slow enough to be able to control it. Here with the one of the electricians did here, one of our students, again, he brought our power. Again, you have wire number 1, he goes to wire number 3 right here. Again, he jumps all his wire, he maintained the same color, so he maintained green for this one right here. So all these right here are always wire number 3, comes over here to this other one. Then here you have wire number 4 on the other side right here, coming out to this guy, jumps over to your A1. And then goes off from your A2, jumps over to A2, goes right back to his overload right there. So here we go. So here he has the resistors. He brought in power again from the block, goes into the in power. Then you have the outgoing power. This is for the first one, this is for the second one right here. So again, same wiring configuration as you would normally do for your motor. Again, your 1 to 7, 6 to 8, 1 to 8, 2 to 8, 3 to 9, and 6, 5, 4 connected together. So 6, 5, 4 to connect it together. 1 to 7, 2 to 8, 3 to 9, and then of course you have your jumpers right there. So here he put the resistors going into the other ones right here. So here we're going to turn it on. It's power right there. So check out the motor right now. I'm gonna push my start right now, and it should make the motor go up right there. So here goes start. Again, motor running normally, it's the same thing. But again, if I stop the motor, take a look at the motor right now. Take a look at the motor. If I stop it, you see the motor still keeps going. So it's going to be kind of hard to get it to be on the location exactly where you want it, because the inertia still keeps going. So the motor's going to take a little while for it to actually stop right there. But if I push my inching, that's what we said it says here, but we put it as an inching. You're going to see I can control it. See how slow I can make it go? I can make that motor go pretty slow and stop it pretty close to where I want it to stop. Again, I can make it go real slow, little tiny little bits, or I can keep it and then make it go a little faster. And as long as I keep my finger pressed on it, the motor will continue on. But as soon as I let go of my finger, the motor will stop right there. So that's the nice thing about why you're at the resistors. It makes the motor go a lot slower than it should be right there. So, okay, so it's a simple way of doing it. So again, we'll be doing jogging controls, other ones right now. So this is one of the first ones that we do. All right.